In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show on LinkedIn that you are looking for a job. Navigating the job market can often feel like trying to sail the open sea without a map. LinkedIn, the professional networking giant, serves as a beacon for many job seekers and professionals looking to grow their careers. If you're on the hunt for new opportunities, signaling to recruiters and your network that you're open to job offers is a pivotal step. And guess what? LinkedIn has made this incredibly simple and effective. Let's dive in and find out how you can efficiently use LinkedIn to announce your job seeking status. First off, head over to the LinkedIn website. You're likely familiar with this part. You can sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Sometimes for additional security, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This is just a standard procedure to ensure that you're not a robot attempting to gain access to the site. Once you're logged in, focus your attention towards the top right corner where your profile photo resides. A click on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. What you're looking for is the View Profile option. Clicking on this takes you directly to your LinkedIn profile. Think of this as your professional storefront where all the magic happens. As you scan through your profile, you'll notice a section titled Open To. This tiny yet powerful section is your gateway to letting the LinkedIn world know about your availability. Click on Open To explore the options available to you. Here, select Providing Services from the list of options. This choice is crucial because it directly communicates to prospective clients or recruiters that you are not just open to new opportunities, but you're actively looking to provide your skills and services. Now, this is where things get really interesting. After selecting Providing Services, you will be prompted to describe the details of the services you're offering. Be clear, concise, and compelling. This is your opportunity to shine and make a strong first impression. Think about the unique skills and experiences you bring to the table and list them here. Finally, once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, look for the Publish button. By clicking on this, you're officially announcing to the LinkedIn world that you're on the market and open for business. Your services, skills, and willingness to embark on new professional adventures are now visible to your network and potential recruiters. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully navigated through LinkedIn to indicate that you're looking for a job. Remember, the key to a successful job hunt on LinkedIn doesn't stop here. Stay active, engage with your network, share your insights, and keep your profile up to date with your latest skills and projects. Happy job hunting, and remember your next big opportunity could be just around the corner.